I'm babysitting a little kitten, and he's gone like nutso. Hi. Where do I go now? And it's like everywhere. He's so cute. He's like my other little kitten. Or my other cat. No, this is my food. Not yours. Is it your food? No, it's not. Where are you going? There you go. Whoa. Whoa. A little mouse with him. Here he is. And just now he went where did he go? From there to there to there to there to there. Jumped down here and then crawled up here and failed. There he is. Hello. Oh. Yeah. Oh, where are you going? Are you going in here? Look. There you go. There you go, baby. Where you going, mister? Where'd you go? Someone down there? No, he's over there. He looks like he's so proud of his little walk. Sees my video games. And in the middle, right there, that's cat treats. Seeing if he smell it or something. Hey, that's my food. Hey, little guy. Oh, oh, thank you. Just punch my hand. Where are you going? What are you doing? Hey, mister. And jump right through there. And he can find anything he wants. Go. Hey, what are you doing? Hello. What are you doing? Probably can't see him in there, but I can get him. Oh my God, he's standing up. Look into the game. Whoa! Oh my God! If you get a little frisky, it's like being mauled by a little kitten tiger. And he's really cute. So, subscribe and rate if you think the kitten's cute. And if you don't, there's something wrong with you because he's adorable. So, yeah. Rate and subscribe. Peace.